The winner of the gas card is Amanda Calder.
Okay. What do you plan on doing with the gift card?
I told my husband I can only buy soda with it, but I should probably buy the gas. Yeah.
$100 with the soda.
Yeah.
Did you get that? That is awesome. Okay, so thank you for entering.
Thank you for having this raffle.
You betcha. And congratulations. So there's your gift card, $100 worth of sodas.
Thank you.
At Great Scott.
Thank you.
I think that's
Thank you.
awesome. Okay.
Go to Rexburg Car Shop.
Here's the winner of this amazing tool set.
All right, you ready? Hannah. Hannah, so glad you entered and won the tool set. Our second biggest thing that we were giving away. Excellent, good job. Now here's her tool set.
Thank you.
Use it well. There you go. Okay, thanks for entering. Congratulations on it.
And now for our winner of the Traeger.
Get out of here. We've been waiting 3 months for this. All right, the winner is John Beasley. Hey, John. Hey, this is Drew from Car Shop. Yeah. And you just won our Traeger. Yeah, when you come in and you referred somebody to us, then your name got put in.
A few people to
Here you go.
That's how you got entered. Congratulations.
Well, thank you. Thank you. That's very kind of you.
You're welcome.
So guys, right now here at Madison Armory, we are doing a giveaway for a Sig Sauer Cross with a Vortex Razor scope on top of it.
Wait, I want that.
You've got to come in.
Dang.
There's a bunch of different ways to enter. If you guys go on our Facebook or Instagram pages, there is a post about how to enter into that. The other thing too is we are going to be teaming up with the Car Shop on our next giveaway. So we're trying to come up with ideas right now of what we're going to do. So comment below, let us know what you think we should give away.